I'm waiting for this trade. As in my morning review, I said if this candle closes bearish from this FPG, which is it's a C2 candle, it's a sweep candle as well. We sweep this, and it's also tap into FPG. Now, what I needed was momentum on 15 minutes, which as you can see, price um, it made this CIST, which yeah, it's a CIST. Also really big bearish candle forming in FPG, which means that there is bearish momentum. So uh, it made a lower high, then a lower low. And the last candle that closed, I was expecting it to be bearish, to close really bearish. Then I would have entered my sell here with stop losses here. But this candle closed with a good wick. And if I see here, there are a lot of orders here, right? Like it's a clear It's a clear zone, big, 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 big. So I wanted to be careful at this level. I didn't want to just enter and then price reverses from here. And if I look at DXY, also in DXY, look at this level. The price just cannot go up, cannot go up. And here as well, we have a bullish. So I agree that the momentum is overall bullish because we have an FVG here. But this level I needed to be careful of. So that's why I decided I will wait for price to break this. For now, it's into FVG. If price now closes back in, gives me a CIST here. This is this is a CIST. If I get a CIST here, then I can sell it at close like something like this. So if I get a CIST here, there will be multiple things happening at once. 15-minute tap from the 4-hour FVG, bearish, breaking a CIST. Price again going back, tapping into FVG and again turning bearish. So this will be really high momentum setup. So I'll be looking for this. I'll keep updating if I when I take a trade. But for now, that's why I set the alert. I need a candle close below this level. And when I get a candle close below this, I'll take a sell with my stop losses over here. That's all. I'll keep updating. So the current update is uh, price. It did not go below, as I said previously, and we have it's showing extremely bullish momentum as of right now. And if I look at 4-hour time frame, we have already broke last candle's high. So for now, I will wait for this 4-hour candle to close. I'll see how it closes from this FVG. And then if I get enough bearish momentum, then I can look to sell it again. But for this candle, the momentum has shifted from bearish to bullish. So let's see how it goes. So here I'm thinking this tiny FVG has been completely breached. Although this 4-hour candle tried to go up but eventually came down. If I look at 15 minutes, the closest CIST is this. Because the series of candles, this was the first candle that made this high. If I look at hourly, all I can see is price refused to go below, broke the structure to the upside, prices into an FPG, and will continue going to the upside. It's not bearish enough for me. Everything points kind of bullish, even though this candle is like this, and it's 1.5 minutes left. If this candle closes like this, obviously the FVG will be gone. I'm not really sure if I should take this train. Yeah, because hourly I'm expecting price to tap into this FVG and go to the upside and continue going here. And even on 4 hour, the FVG just doesn't make sense. It just and on 15 minutes there is no momentum as of right now. Bearish momentum. I see just bullish momentum. So I was right waiting here. If I would have took a sell here, it would have been a stop loss, a stupid loss. And even for now, I'm not really convinced. If this candle closes like this, let's see, 16 seconds left. Because I need 15 minutes to break CISD, make lower lows, lower highs. Here, what I see is 15 minutes just making a pullback and continue to the upside. That's why, yeah, even now, this candle, the IPG is gone. So I think I will have to wait. I don't think there will be trade today on AU. I'll remove it. Uh, if this candle decides to go down, then it will form a C3, and then tomorrow I can trade C4. Multiple pairs will give me options to trade C4 uh, like UCAD or UCHF as well. So I'll have options to trade tomorrow. All I'm thinking is if I try to take this trade right now, it does not look good. The FHA is gone. It will be just a kind of forced entry to sell it right in. So I will remove it from my analysis. As I said, I'll wait for this candle to form a C3 and then tomorrow C4 I can trade. That's all for EU. Uh, no trades. I got saved from this loss. A really stupid loss it would have been. And that's all. Thanks for watching. So there is one more thing I would like to add. DXY tried to go down. So on 4 hour, it's making lower lows and lower highs. And on daily, it will be a pullback. We have a C2. Today, I'm expecting a C3 and it already made a wick. So if it wants to go up, it will go up now. Why? Because we have a wick already. Form a body and make a C3. And on 4 hour, we have such a strong wick. Price tried to go down, but it could not. It just made us such a strong. So I'm still bullish on DX. So I think this candle can go up and close um, above. But if it does not, if it goes below, then the case is gone. Then there's no way that it will go up. So if I think about EU, this candle was bearish. It was it tried to go up but then failed and then gave such a large wick. And this candle closed 50% below its range. That's why it's D. D means it's a bearish candle. I'm expecting this 4 hourly candle to go up, come back down, and close below this FPG point, below this bearish FPG. So if it could not go up, let's say on 1 hour, I said that okay, we are in an FPG zone. I'm expecting 1 hour to continue going up. So what I'm thinking right now is because the daily time frame is bearish. So that's for sure that the overall order flow of the market is bearish. Price is more likely to go to the downside. And we already made a wick. We tried to go up, we failed, we made a wick, and I'm expecting this candle to go down, 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 and make a C3 eventually. So all the intraday traders who will try to buy here on this FPG, thinking that okay, we have a accumulation, a lot of candles here, and we break the structure break. We did a market structure break, or we can say a bullish change in state of delivery, which is marked here, and then such a strong displacement, which made an FVG. So if I am an intraday trader, I would like to long it like this, something like this. I can go on to 5 minutes and I can take a trade here or whatever it suits them. So what I'm expecting is if a lot of people buy here, price will try to go up. And I think it's a kind of liquidity trap that's being built right now. Because again, remember that overall trend is down, price wants to go down. This is such a bearish candle, and price tried to go down, it could not. It went up, tried to went up, could not, and again it's trying to go up. If in this candle it shows me that okay, it tried to go up but could not, and it closed below this FPG. So here, I'll take this trade, something like this. I'll put my stop loss somewhere over here, or it will be too big, but I'll put somewhere over, or maybe on top of this candle, maybe it makes a big somewhere over here, and then I will take this trade because it only makes sense. As I thought about it, if I would long here, it will be a reversal trade. Although it's a continuation trade on hourly, but it will be a reversal trade on daily because daily trend is bearish. And yesterday's candle was not good. It was very bearish candle. So today's candle, I am also expecting a bearish candle. So I will give this 4 hours to EU. If it goes up, then done. I'm not looking to sell again. Tomorrow I'll come back and trade. Look for C3 if it made C3 on daily, or just leave it. But if it tries to go up and fails and closes back in, I'm sure that price will continue going to the downside. So at uh, when this candle closes, when this 4 hourly candle closes, if it closes below this, I will take a sell. I'll look at 15-minute momentum. If it's making lower lows, then I will take a trade here and put my stop loss somewhere. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I will update and I'll record the video more if I get a trade in 4 hours. But for this hour, I'm not trading. For these 4 hours, I will wait for because this candle is kind of confusing. It's half bullish, half bearish. I want this candle to be bearish. So I will want market to give me bearish candle close in these 3 hour 44 minutes. And then I will trade. That's all. Thanks. So this candle finally closed. I was expecting it to close below this FPG. If it would have closed bearish, it would have told me that okay, price tried to go up but failed. That's also extremely bearish scenario. And if I look at DXY, this one also did not close bullish. It closed bearish. So there's no valid setup today. Even if I look at the daily, I don't see it coming down anymore. And there's no FPG left now. This was a fake out. It tapped into FPG, sweep, C2, bearish momentum. But I waited for one more candle to break this structure, then I would have entered. And obviously it was a fake out. So I did not take any trade here and I saved a loss today. That's all. We'll see tomorrow if any trades are present. Thanks for watching.